Hello everyone, how are you? I am your teacher. You can call me Mr. Rumi. I will answer some important questions which will be very helpful for you. So I welcome you on my channel Class Beta where we will be discussing question. How to convert 680 mm Hg to ATM? Correct answer is to convert 680 mm Hg to ATM we need to use the conversion factor of 1 ATM equals 760 mm Hg. By dividing 680 mm Hg by 760 mm Hg we can calculate the equivalent value in atmospheres. 680 mm Hg divided 760 mm Hg equals 0.8947 ATM. Therefore, 680 mmH is equal to 0.8947 atm. This conversion is essential for interchanging pressure units in various scientific and engineering applications. By understanding and applying these conversion factors, we can ensure accuracy and consistency in our calculation in the field of the thermodynamics, fluid dynamics, and other related disciplines. So that was our today's correct answer to question. If you have any other question, please let me know in the comment section. I will be answering your question soon. Thanks for watching the video. Be sure to like, share and subscribe our channel. See you in the next question. Bye bye.